Hey all, so today I'm gonna share what exactly I'm taking in 3 meals every single day. Nowadays I'm focusing on pre-probiotic and high fiber, high protein, high to moderate protein, high fat and very low carb. Although the fiber content is very high, pre-probiotic is my focus. So only 3 meals, I don't call it breakfast, lunch or dinner. My morning starts with empty stomach water, then the coffee comes. The coffee would either be a fatty version. The day I don't feel like having my fatty coffee, I would take iced americano alongside some avocado or my protein ball that I have prepared. There is a video separately I have posted on my channel, but if you want me to share it again, please comment, I'll share the recipe. And the coffee, I prep it with either soy milk, coconut milk, hemp seed milk, which is very high on protein, and alongside some C8 and C10 version of MCT oil. And I am using nowadays my prebiotic sweetener, which is 0 calorie but very high in fiber. So if you want to know which one, please comment below, I'll share, not the one in this video. And that is pretty much how I prep my morning coffee. After that, the second meal comes, because this one will keep me full for 2-3 hours, sometimes even 4 hours long. And the second meal is some sort of porridge. Either I'll have my vegan curd or vegan yogurt bowl, or my chia pudding bowl. So here I'm showing my vegan curd bowl. This one I have ordered online, and then I started preparing my vegan yogurt at home. I'll share the recipe if you want to know how. It's very simple, does not take much, but it is for your own health. This particular recipe, this particular meal is very high in protein, fat, pre-probiotic. Again, pre-probiotic is my focus. So soaked Gond katira, soaked basil seeds, soaked chia seeds I have added. Gond katira, I don't know what is it called in other country, but in India we call it gond katira, which is very high in magnesium, fiber and prebiotic. Then I have added the concoction of methi dana, which is fenugreek seed, soaked prunes and soaked raisin for my iron. Raisin is only 3-4 pieces, so it's not going to spike my blood sugar. Then the grated coconut on top, some fresh fruits like pomegranate seeds, blueberry and almond butter. So you can see how nutritious this bowl, this particular meal is. Then this particular bread, which I have prepped for the entire week, I have prepped it from this atta, which I have ordered online. Low carb, high protein, pre-probiotic and fiber rich. If you want to know which one, please comment below, I'll share.